In this video, I'll show you how to sell your GoDaddy domain. So to do this, first just going to open up GoDaddy and go to your domain. And from here, go to registration settings. And from there, you will see a bunch of things, but what you're going to do is here go to sell, and then they will give you the value of your domain. Then just click on list for sale right here. Then here just click get started. Then here enter a price that you want for it. So this one's worth less than $100. Say I want $50 for it, then I can just enter that right here. Then from there you can add a for sale page like the one you see here if you want to. But for example, you can also just click on publish listing, and then from there it will be listed, or you can create a page like this just by clicking on add a for sale page. So after you click publish listing, if someone buys it, then you will get the money for the domain. So that's how to sell a domain on GoDaddy. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.